How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Pontiac GTO True 242, done in a gorgeous apple red black top. It's a clean California built car. Got all the original panels and floors. Gorgeous car, guys. See, the front bumper's all been re-chromed. The headlight bezels and the grill is all the original. Excellent shape. Gorgeous car. Got the hood mounted hood tack. Car's real straight, slick down the sides. Got a set of vintage American Racing torque thrust wheels and BFGs. It's a good looking car. All the panel fitments real nice. Rear bumpers all been re-chromed. All the trim around the deck lid and quarters are real nice. Got new vinyl top. Gorgeous car. Tell you, this car's really straight, flat down the sides. I mean, this has got show quality paint on it. It's got the original 400 in it. Factory 4-barrel. It's got power steering, power brakes. It was updated with front disc brakes. Looks real nice under the hood and everything, nicely detailed. It's got the heavy-duty cooling system. It is a factory AC car, but the condenser and compressor is missing. You can see all the door jambs, everything looked really nice. Very nice black interior. Wood grain on the dash all looks real nice. It's got the deluxe wood wheel. It's got the factory vacuum gauge. Headliner looks good. It's got all the front and rear deluxe seat belts. Most of the interior's all been replaced. Seat covers and door panels. Very nice. All inside the trunk looks real good. It's got the factory jack, the spare. It's got a nice custom car cover, comes with it. It's got a CD changer mounted up there in the back. Top looks perfect on it. It's got a retrofit AM FM cassette stereo in it. I really like the his and her shifters. They're pretty cool. Got nice custom mats in the floor. The previous owner said that the motor was rebuilt about 3,000 miles ago. Runs real good. Got a nice dual exhaust. Got posi rear with the rear sway bar and box control arms. Got the 400 turbo trans. Sounds good out the exhaust. Backup lights and everything work like it should. Hey, it's just a really nice little car here. You can get in this car, drive it all over, go anywhere you want to go to your shows. And you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.